Hey Nicoletta, thanks for your video. So I'm still getting a couple of errors here, but I thought firstly I would just run you through the process of the funnel just so you have a complete idea of what I'm trying to achieve. Um, so first of all, thanks for your feedback there. I changed I removed that one, the first upsell that you can see down here, and just made it the order form. So that seemed to work when I did make that change there. But to give you an idea of what the actual funnel would be like, so I have a membership area here. You can see that first 7 lessons. This should be all free, and I want anyone who opts into this page here on that first step in the opt-in to get access to that first lesson section, the free lessons section there. So the Facebook ad hacks course. So that should be all free. And then they should get access from opting in here. Step 2 will be the first upsell. So I've just made that an order page rather than an OTO page. And this should be a $27 product that will upsell into the second lesson section here. So this will be paid restricted section. I'll just got the toolbox there, just make sure I got the right one. So that's updated. And then the third page is the second upsell for a $497 advanced course. Now this one is hosted in Kajabi. So I've set up the product here, which is at $2 at the moment as a test because I was just testing it live. But I have set that up to go into my Kajabi account. So that seems to work when I go through it. I actually get the emails as well, but I'm getting stuck on this point here. So let me just run through this for you, just to show you where I'm running into troubles. So obviously this first step here is to get access to the free course, which is the first lesson section in my Kajabi membership area. Sorry, not Kajabi membership, the ClickFunnels membership area. So let's just opt into this one here. So this looks all good. It goes to the second page. No problem. So this is the first upsell, which is the an order page. So So that works. That looks like it did work, and it goes through to the second upsell. So now this is the OTO page. So if I just want to purchase that, click there, then it goes back to order confirmation, which is the actual order form, and then I'm getting a missing purchase here. And I don't know why the items aren't dynamically updating. Maybe it's because I'm in test mode, but is it possible to have all the products, so the first upsell plus the second upsell to show up there so they can see the price and what they're actually getting? But that's not working. Now, the second thing is I've set up emails in here to access my purchase. So my purchase, and then when I click through to that, it just takes me to this page here. I actually try to access the purchase. This is the tripwire, so this is the first upsell, so I am receiving that and I can get access to that. But in terms of the free course on the first step when they opt in, so this should be a link to the free course, and then it's taking me to an empty membership area. Not even empty, so only got the paid area. So the free course should be in there as well. So I'm not sure why I'm getting the errors as I am. If you could shed some insight, and if it's possible to jump on a live call with you to run through this in person or over Skype or over Zoom, that would be amazing if you could. So let me know if it's possible to do that. And yeah, if you could help me out with this, that'd be great. Fantastic. Thank you.